We're ready to get this match started. Drivers between the lines. And 3, 2, 1, go!
And game pieces are flying everywhere during this Sandstorm period of qualification match 5. With less than 15 seconds on the clock, we're seeing some movement from both alliances. And we're not hearing any buzzer sounds or seeing any clock or seeing the Sandstorm period. We're experiencing technical difficulties, but the robots sure do look great.
We are stopping that match. There were some technical difficulties. Sandstorm didn't rise. There were no noises. Give us a few minutes. We're going to fix those technical difficulties.